Just wanna get to know you, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first extreme cleaning video. And today you're probably wondering why I have like different background. I'm currently on a trip right now. I filmed this video before we left, but unfortunately I had an emergency dental surgery. I had tooth extraction, so I wasn't able to like kind of like talk properly for like almost like a week. So I wasn't able to do like the voiceover and stuff, so I'm just trying to like finish editing this video. But I'm gonna show you how I cleaned my house before we left, and I'm hoping that this video would serve as your motivation to clean your apartment or your house, especially right now that we're stuck at home and like we're trying to like look for something to do. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy watching this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's start cleaning. Alright guys, so I'm starting in our bedroom. Here I'm removing all the covers so I can wash them. I like to do this first because it usually takes longer and I can do something else while I'm washing and drying them. Also, I want this to be the first thing to get done so I can just jump right in bed as soon as I finish cleaning the entire apartment. I always struggle whenever I try to remove the bed sheet because this mattress is so big and heavy for me. So I use these bed suspenders to keep my bed sheets in place. I don't know, but I'm super OC and I hate when my bed sheets keep slipping off the bed. So we used to have a queen size bed, but I never had this kind of problem. So for those of you who has king size bed and can definitely relate, let me know down in the comments below what you guys do to keep your sheets in place, because I definitely want to try them. And for our carpet, I use this Arm & Hammer Pet Fresh Odor Eliminator. I leave it for 15 minutes before I start vacuuming, and I really do recommend this one if you have pet and carpet because it smells so good. So this is our favorite brand of cleaning spray. Jordan and I love this so much because it smells so good and they actually stay longer. They have different scent too. They change them each season, which is nice, so you'll get the feel of every season. We also have them in dishwashing liquid and hand soap because they're just that good. Yep, this is what's been waiting for me in her bedroom. Here's a funny cat. Anyway, so I'm just like vacuuming the carpet. It's pretty tight here, so there's not much to vacuum, which is good, so I can just move on to the next one. And here's the king of the Pinnock household, just chilling, watching me clean. And now I'm just throwing the last batch of the laundry into the washer so we can take some of the clothes for our trip. So this is a photo of me and my mom. It was taken when I visited her in Ireland. I like to keep it on my bedside so I'd feel like she's just by my side. Alright, it's going. Mommy's gonna clean. I need to put away their toys. Come on, get out of there. Get out. So this couch is one of our cat's favorite spots. So we just place his blanket and scatter around his toys so he can just chill and sleep in there. So after vacuuming, I mop the floor using this spray mop, and after that I use a steam mop just to remove the stickiness of the floor. And this is the last thing that I have to do, fold the laundry, and I'm done. I'm skipping the bathroom this time because I just cleaned them a couple days ago. I hope you like watching this video, and please hit the like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be making more videos about our trip, so don't forget to turn on your notifications. And here's the final look, you guys. I'm so excited to come home in a fresh and clean apartment. By the way, I'm sorry if I'm still struggling to talk in this video. I'm still in pain, but I'm feeling so much better now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.